What's up, Grumpy Nation? Good morning. Hey, let's talk about something real quick, right? I know everybody paying attention to this AI stuff, right? Now, look, man, let's be clear. It really don't matter which way you feel about it. What matters is it's here, and they putting their foot on the gas pedal, right? So, Grumpy, what they got to do with Homestead? Well, I'm glad you asked. See, part of homesteading is giving me a hedge against AI, right? Why? Because algorithm can't grow no sunflowers, can't feed no chickens, right? Algorithms can't process no meat, right? So having a homestead is kind of like a hedge. It's AI. So even if I lose my job, I'm a truck driver, by the way, and I'm telling you, they got trucks going down the road right now in Texas with nobody in them. Now, I thought I wasn't gonna never see that. I know they talked years ago was talking about autonomous trucks, but they people in them. Now they got a couple on running with nobody in them. And I'm not telling you nothing that I done thought about or I done made up. I got a homeboy, I bumped into him at the truck stop. He worked for one of the companies. Yes. So it won't be long for, trust me, they'll have some algorithm running down the road of my truck. But that's okay though, you know why? Because part of being a homesteader is that's what homesteading is, about being prepared. Working with your hands. The algorithm can't work with no hands. They ain't got them yet. So this a hedge, right? So you might lose your job or hours get cut back. You still can, put some food on the table. You know what I'm saying? Don't stick your head in the sand on this. Don't panic. Don't get all upset and try to fight against it. Just understand what we dealing with is here. It's clamping down, and just try to find you a hedge. Hey, learn some skills. Learn how to work with your hands. Learn how to be as self-sufficient as possible. That don't always mean, you ain't got to go buy no 10 to 20 acres and I'm finna go live off the land, because that ain't really feasible for a lot of folk. And that take time learning all that, right? But just right where you at, man. Just think about, okay, how can I find ways to be able to provide for your family as much as you can, meaning you, not the grocery store, not the bank, not your job. Now's the time. You know what I'm saying? Just keeping it real. You're keeping it 100. All right, y'all. Y'all be safe out there. Have a blessed day. I'll catch y'all on the next video.